In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an order form or payment page on Systeme.io. Let's dive in and get you set up with your very own professional order form in just a few minutes. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to the Systeme.io login page. Once you're there, smoothly enter your login credentials to access your account. After you've logged in, you'll spot the sign in button. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to your dashboard. Now that you're on your dashboard, take your mouse and hover over the websites section. This is where all the magic begins, as it leads you to the Sales Funnels tab. Click on Sales Funnels to start creating a new funnel for your order form. Here, you'll see a Create button. Click it and then a prompt will ask you to type in a name for your new funnel. Be as creative or straightforward as you wish with this name. Once you've named your funnel, you'll need to choose Custom from the options available. This gives you the flexibility to tailor your funnel to fit your specific needs. Next, it's important to select the preferred currency for your transactions, so customers know exactly what they'll be paying. After sorting out these details, make sure to click the Save button to lock in your settings. Now, with the funnel created, click on its name from your list. This opens up the funnel for further customization. You'll see an option to add step, which is essential for creating the order form. Type the name of this funnel step. It could be something like order form or anything relevant to your product. Following this, you need to define the type of step. Navigate to type and select order form from the drop down menu, then hit save to ensure your work is not lost. With your order form in place, you'll now want to choose a template. Click on select template, and once you've chosen, click edit page to begin customizing it to perfectly showcase your offerings. Here you can add elements like detailed product descriptions, clear pricing, and enticing images. Make sure you include fields for necessary customer details like their name, email, and shipping information to smooth the purchasing process. Don't forget to select your favorite payment gateway, whether it's Stripe, PayPal, or another option, and properly configure these settings. Once you're happy with your layout and settings, click on Save Changes to finish. Before wrapping up, let me share some additional tips. Consider using two-step forms to collect customer information first, which can help build your email list. You might also want to add an order bump, offering another product or service at checkout to boost your sales. Lastly, integrate email automations to send order confirmations and follow-up messages to maintain engagement with your customers post-purchase. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up an order form on Systeme.io.